Good morning, this is Todd with Interwest Distribution. This morning what we're going to cover is setting up a blade holder on a typical GraphTech blade and blade holder. So what I've got is the newer style of GraphTech blade holder. What you're going to see is you've got the blue bottom, and if I unscrew that, if we're setting up a brand new blade holder or changing out the blade, this is how we're going to access the blade. Okay? You can come on in a little closer, and what we'll show is I've got a brand new 45-degree blade. I'm going to take that, I'm going to go ahead and gently slide it in the actual carriage blade holder, and pretty much it should just drop right down. Okay, you can kind of tap it gently. Then we're going to go ahead and take our top of the blade holder, screw it together. Okay, since this is a brand new blade holder, we're going to set the depth on this. If we had previously had this set up and we were just changing the blade, no need to actually change the actual depth. From here, since it is brand new, what I'm going to do is I've got my top dial, and this is going to adjust my blade depth. I'm going to go ahead and start screwing that out, and until I can see the very tip of that blade, which right about there. It's hard to see because it's a very fine blade, but I've got the tip of the blade flush with the tip of the actual blade holder. Okay? I'm also going to flip it upside down from there. You've got on your adjustment dial, you have one hatch mark. On the base of the blade holder, we have 5. One full revolution counts for 0.5 millimeters of depth on the actual blade holder. So setting this up for paint protection film, I'm going to make one full revolution, which is right there, and probably go just another hatch mark. And right there, my blade should be set for the proper depth for paint protection film. Okay, with window film, it's only going to be probably 1 or 2 hatch marks because you're dealing with a much thinner material, and there's no reason to have your blade out farther than needed. All right. Once that's set, if I have to change blades because this one gets dull after a while, all I'm going to do is unscrew that, pull the old blade out, put the new blade in, and ideally your depth setting really shouldn't change. All you're going to do is come back and adjust your force setting, which we'll go through in the next video.